Hi, welcome to Blackmagic Design at IBC 2018. I'm Craig Heffernan. I'm the Technical Sales Director for Europe, Middle East and Africa, and we wanted to talk to you today about Blackmagic RAW. Blackmagic RAW is a new format that we've added to the Ursa Mini Pro 4.6 camera. It's downloadable today with Camera 6 Updater for customers to try, work in a public beta, and see how they can get the best out of the new format that we've added. Blackmagic RAW adds really for us a new way of working with RAW formats from our camera, but maybe we couldn't do previously with Cinema DNG, which we've had as a RAW format to date. Traditionally, RAW formats are very heavy in camera in terms of file processing. They're very demanding on the media, and they also require a lot of CPU or GPU processing in post-production, particularly in DaVinci Resolve. Blackmagic RAW really answers a lot of problems that we have with RAW, is more open for people to consider using RAW in production, and works more efficiently in a post-production process by giving lower data rates and lower file sizes when we're working in Resolve or in post-production. One of the key things we've done with Blackmagic RAW is we've actually put some of the processing for the color information into the camera by doing a partial demosaic in the camera system itself. So that reduces the file impact and the processing in Resolve when we start working with it, and makes it much more of an end-to-end solution, meaning that Blackmagic RAW is supported in camera. It gives us a really fast, efficient process when we start to edit, which we couldn't do with RAW previously. But with it being a non-linear 12-bit file, it also means we have all that latitude and bit depth when we work with Blackmagic RAW from a grading point of view. Also in the camera, you'll find that there's a couple of recording platforms that we have. We have a constant bit rate, which gives us maybe a 5:1 or up to a 12:1 recording option, all the way through to a 3:1, so we have very precise control over a constant bit rate quality. We also have something called constant quality, and this has a base level that will always sort of require that the quality of the image coming out is standard, but it's adaptive in a sense that it has a bit of headroom, so if the file is being looked at frame by frame, the algorithm that's doing the work on that codec will understand that it can provide a little bit more data rate where required. These files then go into post-production, are very quick in Resolve for us to work with, and then we can also, if we wanted to, make changes to them. Resolve has the ability to work with a new metadata system that creates a sidecar file. So as the Blackmagic RAW system is used through post-production in Resolve, it's very adaptable for us to either completely remove those decisions and color profiles from the camera and go back to a RAW file, or on a clip-by-clip basis, change the metadata and record it through a whole process. So Blackmagic RAW for us is a brilliant way of us delivering an end-to-end solution. It's a new, innovative codec for us, and it's a great way of maybe introducing RAW to our camera owners that have never really had that option before, or maybe didn't find it suitable to work with Cinema DNG in the past. And we're really looking forward to seeing how people are going to work with Blackmagic RAW and see what this can actually deliver to creative professionals out there. And we hope you like it.